We've activated, cleared, detoxified, and connected your pineal gland. And now we're going deeper than energy. We're going into your DNA. This is a 528 hertz, the frequency that scientists call the miracle tone. It repairs DNA and transforms your cells at a genetic level. 15 minutes, this is where everything changes. So let's reprogram your DNA. Here's what's happening today. Your DNA holds the blueprint for everything, including your intuitive abilities. But your DNA has been damaged by stress, toxins, trauma, limiting beliefs, and that damage has been blocking your full spiritual potential. 528 hertz is the frequency of transformation and miracles. It's been scientifically studied for its ability to repair DNA damage at a molecular level. So today we're using it to repair the genetic damage that has been limiting your pineal gland activation. This isn't just energy work anymore. This is cellular reprogramming. We're rewiring your genetic code to support your third eye activation. You might feel a little different today than the previous 4 days. You might feel deep vibration in your entire body. You might feel like something fundamental is shifting and you might feel waves of energy moving through you. This is your DNA restructuring itself. So same commitment, phone on do not disturb, headphones on, stay for all 15 minutes. This is the deepest work we've done yet. When you're ready, close your eyes and let's transform your DNA.
Your eyes closed, and take a deep breath in and out. Breathe in transformation and breathe out any limitation. And again, breathe in your highest potential and breathe out everything blocking it. And bring your awareness to your entire body, not just your third eye today, your whole being. This frequency is working on every cell. So place your hands at your heart center and just be with your heartbeat. And with every beat of your heart, blood is pumping through your entire body. In every drop of blood, there are millions of cells. And in every cell, there is DNA. The blueprint of who you are. And that DNA has been damaged by stress, toxins, trauma, and any limiting beliefs. The 528 hertz frequency is repairing that damage now, cell by cell, strand by strand. And now imagine your DNA as a golden double helix spiral, and it's glowing in every cell of your body. There are dark spots, breaks in the code, damaged sections. And now imagine that 528 hertz frequency as a golden light washing through your entire body. And every time it touches a damaged section of DNA, the section repairs itself. The breaks sail, the code rewrites. The damage heals. And you can lower your hands now. Keep feeling that golden light moving through every cell. Your DNA is remembering its original divine blueprint. The blueprint that includes full pineal gland activation, full intuitive capacity, and full spiritual potential. And the frequency is doing the reprogramming. All you have to do is receive. And breathe into every cell and let your DNA repair. Every limiting belief encoded in your DNA is being rewritten now. Every ancestral pattern of blocked intuition is being cleared from your genetic code. Every trauma stored in your cells is being transformed into wisdom. And if you feel deep vibration, just allow yourselves to restructure. If you feel waves of energy, that's your DNA activating dormant codes. And if you feel like something fundamental is changing, it is. You are being transformed at the molecular level. Your DNA is not fixed. It is not permanent. It responds to frequency, intention, and consciousness. And right now, it's responding to the 528 hertz, the frequency of miracles, the frequency of transformation, the frequency of your highest potential. And in your mind, repeating after me, I am being transformed at the cellular level. I am being transformed at the cellular level. My genetic code supports full pineal gland activation. My genetic code supports pineal gland activation. All damage to my DNA is being healed. I carry the blueprint of my highest spiritual potential. I carry the blueprint of my highest spiritual potential. My cells remember their divine design. My cells remember their divine design. I am reprogrammed for intuition, clarity, and connection. I am reprogrammed for intuition, clarity, and connection. My DNA reflects my awakened state. My DNA reflects my awakened state.
And start to bring your awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes, take a deep breath in and out. Day 5 is complete. You just reprogrammed your DNA to support full pineal gland activation. The damage that has been blocking your intuitive potential for years, maybe even generations, it just got repaired at the cellular level. So here's what that means. The work we've done, days 1 through 4, is now locked in your genetic code. Your body remembers this activation. Your cells remember this frequency. Your DNA remembers its divine blueprint. Now, tomorrow is day 6. We're using 417 hertz to release past trauma and karmic patterns that are still holding you back. We're clearing the deepest layers. And then day 7, we integrate everything from the root to the crown, full activation, complete alignment. You're 2 days away from completing the entire transformation. So don't stop now. Right now, do 2 things. First, comment below and tell me what you're experiencing. Did you feel deep vibration? Did you feel waves of energy? Did you feel or did something fundamental shift? Your DNA just transformed. So share what happened. And second, make sure that you're subscribed, if you haven't done so already, with the notifications and the bell so that day 6 is ready for you tomorrow. You've been activated, you've been cleared, you've been detoxified, you've been connected, and now you've been transformed at the DNA level. 2 more days left. Let's finish this.